Looking for your next luxury escape in the Riviera Maya? Let me take you through everything you need to know about the Fives Beach Hotel and Residences, a stunning beachfront property that promises an unforgettable Mexican Caribbean experience. This isn't just another cookie-cutter resort. It's a place where contemporary luxury meets genuine Mexican hospitality, and trust me, there's a lot to unpack here. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or just dreaming about your next beach escape, stick around because we're diving deep into what makes this place special. And yes, we'll cover the not-so-perfect bits too. Let's talk about where you'll actually be laying your head at night, because honestly, the accommodations here are something else. The Fives Beach Hotel and Residences takes the concept of a hotel room and completely reimagines it. We're not talking about your standard hotel boxes here. Instead, you're looking at spacious residences that feel more like luxury apartments than traditional hotel rooms. The entry-level options start with roomy suites that give you separate living areas, which is perfect when you need some space from your travel companions or just want to spread out after a long day of activities. These suites come equipped with modern amenities that you'd expect from a five-star property, including smart technology integration that lets you control various aspects of your room environment. The bedrooms feature plush bedding that actually lives up to the cloud-like comfort promises you see in brochures, and the bathrooms are designed with both style and function in mind, featuring rainfall showers and high-end toiletries. Moving up the accommodation ladder, you'll find penthouses that take luxury to another level entirely. These units offer multiple bedrooms, making them ideal for families or groups traveling together, and the views from these upper-level residences are absolutely spectacular. You're looking out over the turquoise Caribbean waters, and depending on your unit's orientation, you might catch stunning sunrise or sunset views. The penthouses also feature fully equipped kitchens, though with all the dining options available, you might not use them as much as you'd think. One of the standout features across all room categories is the attention to space and layout. The designers clearly understood that vacation accommodations should feel open and airy, not cramped and claustrophobic. Large windows let in abundant natural light, and the contemporary decor strikes a nice balance between stylish and comfortable. You won't feel like you're living in a museum where you're afraid to touch anything. The rooms also include private terraces or balconies, giving you your own outdoor space to enjoy morning coffee or evening cocktails. For families with specific needs, the resort offers accommodations designed with accessibility in mind, ensuring that guests with mobility challenges can enjoy the same level of comfort and luxury. The technology integration throughout the rooms is genuinely useful rather than gimmicky, with charging stations conveniently located and entertainment systems that are actually intuitive to use. Now let's get to what many consider the heart of any resort experience, the food and drink situation. The Fives Beach Hotel and Residences doesn't mess around when it comes to dining options. This is an all-inclusive property, but don't let that fool you into thinking you're getting cafeteria-style buffet food. The resort features multiple dining venues, each with its own distinct personality and culinary focus. You'll find restaurants serving international cuisine that draws from various global traditions, allowing you to take a culinary journey without leaving the property. The chefs here clearly take pride in their work, using fresh ingredients and putting thought into presentation. One of the highlights is the variety of dining atmospheres available. You can opt for casual beachside dining where you're literally steps from the sand, perfect for lunch when you don't want to stray too far from your beach chair. Or you can dress up a bit for more formal evening dining experiences where the ambience is refined and romantic. The resort also offers specialty restaurants that focus on specific cuisines, giving you the chance to explore different flavors throughout your stay. The beauty of having multiple restaurants is that you're not eating the same food in the same setting every night, which can be a real issue at some all-inclusive properties. The bar scene here is equally impressive. You'll find several bars scattered throughout the property, from swim-up pool bars where you can enjoy a cocktail without leaving the water, to sophisticated lounges perfect for evening drinks. The bartenders know their craft, and while you'll certainly find all the standard tropical drinks you'd expect at a Caribbean resort, they're also happy to mix up something more creative if you're in an adventurous mood. The beverage program includes a solid selection of premium spirits, wines, and beers, so you're not stuck with bottom-shelf options. One aspect worth mentioning is the service in the restaurants. The staff generally strikes a good balance between attentive and overbearing, checking in to ensure you have what you need without hovering. Breakfast spreads are generous, offering everything from fresh tropical fruits to made-to-order eggs and traditional Mexican breakfast options. Lunch and dinner menus rotate enough to keep things interesting if you're staying for an extended period. The resort also accommodates dietary restrictions and preferences with advance notice, though like any large property, communication is key to ensuring your needs are met. The pool and beach situation at the Fives Beach Hotel and Residences deserves serious attention because this is where you'll probably spend a significant chunk of your vacation time. The resort features multiple pool areas, each designed with different vibes and purposes in mind. The main pool is a substantial affair, large enough that it never feels overcrowded even when the resort is at capacity. The pool design incorporates different depth zones, so whether you want to actually swim laps or just float around with a drink in hand, you've got options. Surrounding the pools, you'll find plenty of loungers, and here's a pro tip. The resort generally has enough seating that the early morning towel rush isn't as intense as at some other properties, though prime spots obviously go first. The pool areas feature swim-up bars, which honestly never gets old as a vacation experience. There's something inherently fun about ordering a cocktail while you're waist-deep in water. Beyond the main pool, there are additional pool areas that offer quieter, more intimate settings if you're looking to escape the livelier crowd. The beach access here is what really sets the property apart from city hotels or properties without direct oceanfront. You're walking straight out onto white sand beaches that stretch along the Caribbean coastline. The water here showcases those incredible turquoise and blue hues that make the Mexican Caribbean famous. The resort maintains its beach area well, with staff regularly cleaning and maintaining the sand. Beach loungers and umbrellas are provided, and there are beach attendants who can help you get set up. The ocean conditions vary depending on the season and daily weather, but generally, the waters here are swimmable with that perfect warm temperature that makes you want to stay in for hours. The beach also offers various water activities and equipment. You can grab snorkeling gear to explore the underwater world right off the beach, and the Caribbean waters here are clear enough that you'll actually see fish and marine life without having to venture far from shore. For more adventurous water enthusiasts, there are opportunities for kayaking, paddleboarding, and other water sports. Some activities are included in the all-inclusive package, while others may require additional fees, so it's worth checking what's covered when you arrive. The beach and pool areas also feature cabanas that can be reserved for an extra dose of privacy and shade, which can be worth it if you're planning to spend an entire day poolside or beachside and want a home base with some shelter from the sun. When it comes to staying active and entertained beyond the pool and beach, the Fives Beach Hotel and Residences offers a solid range of activities that cater to different interests and energy levels. The fitness center is actually well equipped, not just a token gym with 3 treadmills and some rusty dumbbells. You'll find modern cardio equipment, weight training options, and enough space that you don't feel like you're working out in a closet. The gym typically features air conditioning, which is crucial when you're trying to exercise in a tropical climate. For those who prefer outdoor activities, the resort grounds provide opportunities for beach volleyball, and there's generally enough space for casual games or more competitive matches if you can rally enough participants. The resort also organizes various recreational activities throughout the day and evening, from water aerobics in the pool to dance lessons where you can learn some salsa moves. These organized activities are entirely optional, so if you're the type who prefers to create your own entertainment, you won't feel pressured to participate. However, they can be a fun way to meet other guests and try something new. Evening entertainment often includes live music performances and shows that showcase Mexican culture and traditions. The quality of entertainment varies as it does at most resorts, but it's generally professional and enjoyable. Some nights feature themed events or parties that add variety to the evening atmosphere. The resort also offers excursion booking services, making it easy to arrange off-property adventures like visits to ancient Mayan ruins, cenote swimming, or trips to nearby eco-parks. While these excursions cost extra beyond your all-inclusive package, having a concierge service that can arrange everything saves you the hassle of researching and booking independently. The activities staff is usually enthusiastic and helpful, providing information about what's happening each day and helping guests get involved in whatever interests them. There's definitely a social atmosphere if you want it, but the property is large enough that you can also find quiet corners if you prefer a more low-key vacation experience. The spa and wellness offerings at the Fives Beach Hotel and Residences provide that extra layer of pampering that can transform a good vacation into an exceptional one. The spa facility itself is designed as a tranquil retreat within the resort, offering a calm atmosphere that immediately helps you shift into relaxation mode. The treatment menu includes a comprehensive range of services, from traditional massages to more specialized treatments that incorporate local ingredients and techniques. You'll find classic options like Swedish and deep tissue massages, as well as treatments that use indigenous Mexican elements. The therapists are generally skilled and professional, creating an experience that feels genuinely therapeutic rather than just going through the motions. Couples massages are available for those traveling with a partner, allowing you to enjoy the spa experience together in a private treatment room. Beyond massage services, the spa offers facial treatments, body wraps, and exfoliating scrubs that leave your skin feeling refreshed despite the sun and saltwater exposure. The spa facilities typically include amenities like steam rooms and saunas, which are perfect for unwinding after treatment or just as a standalone relaxation experience. Some spa packages combine multiple treatments for a more comprehensive wellness day. While spa services generally cost extra beyond the all-inclusive package, the pricing is usually reasonable compared to standalone day spas in major cities. The wellness programming extends beyond the spa facility itself. The resort often offers yoga classes, sometimes held in beautiful outdoor settings where you can practice while overlooking the ocean or surrounded by tropical gardens. These classes cater to various skill levels, so whether you're a seasoned yogi or complete beginner, you can participate without feeling out of place. Some wellness-focused guests appreciate that the resort offers healthier dining options alongside the indulgent choices, making it possible to maintain wellness routines even while on vacation. The spa staff can usually provide recommendations for treatments based on your specific needs or concerns, whether you're dealing with muscle tension from travel, sun-exposed skin, or just general stress that needs melting away. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.